Hello everyone, Steve Nurre here, coming at you just with a quick trade example utilizing the new LP moving average indicator and the step-by-step process we take for taking trades. This is using my swing trading strategy, and this is just a quick little trade that we had yesterday that actually did not last too long. We were only in this for probably about 45 minutes or so. This one just happened to be on dollar Canadian. Just a quick recap of what we look for. You can see my cursor right up in here. There's three common elements when trading, especially in the type of swing trading that we do. Key levels and price. What's the trend of the liquidity providers, and our signal, which if you attend our live trading classes, generally we look for +5 and -5 on the 1 hour totals utilizing the pair view. In this case we had you can see this right in through here, except for the horse poking its nose to the fence line in here. We had a double top forming on dollar Canadian. Yesterday we also happened to have oil was actually starting to move up, and we had a double top formation that was forming here. This is our key level. Essentially on the double top, what we're looking for is we're waiting for it to break down below the trough in the middle of the two tops. So that's the price breakout that we were looking for. The reason why we were confident in this is the next thing we look for after price is we look for the LP moving average. We would like it to be trending down. Essentially, we trade with the trend because the trend is our friend. You can see in here as it was making this little consolidation in this double top formation that the moving average, the liquidity provider moving average, was starting to go down. So not only are we starting to get a break through this trough in the middle of this moving average, we also have the liquidity provider trend essentially stating that liquidity providers are favoring the sell side on the dollar Canadian. So from there, all we are waiting for is not only for the price to break through the key level, but to be confirmed also by a -5 on the 1 hour totals. You can see I have the line here on the -5. It was actually -5 for quite some time. When it finally broke, it was still -5 right on the bottom of this candlestick, showing us a signal to sell. So it made it pretty easy because right when it broke through, it only broke through by about a pip. I believe our entry was like 1.30148. We went ahead and put our stop. We went ahead and put it above the swing high. We were risking approximately 51 pips on the trade, or 52 pips on the trade, and we put our limit down here at break at a 1-to-1 risk reward. We were able to capture this one as a quick little trade. But you can see here you have our arrow pointing down, signaling the fact that it's breaking through a double top. We have the liquidity provider trend is down, and then we also have the signal at -5. You can see here this is also making lower highs, kind of matching up with liquidity provider trend. So nice little trade for 50 pips yesterday. Good example using the dollar Canadian, and a good example of just how PitView can help you when it comes to price, liquidity provider trend, and then your signal, all confirming a nice little trade yesterday in dollar Canadian. For more information, everyone is welcome to stop by on PitView.com to my live trading classes. This is Steve Nurre signing off. Thanks for coming in.